Hi and welcome back. So in the previous video we have learned how to work with the hash functions. But in this video we are going to explain some important stuff. It's called digital signature. So in case you don't know what the digital signature is, let me give you a brief introduction. Actually the digital signature, as you can see in this diagram, is to check actually the verification of the data that is being transferred. A digital signature is an electronic and encrypted stamp of authentication on digital information like a message or a data or whatever we are transferring. And the digital signature actually confirms the integrity of the message. So in short version, we are going to check that if this packet is the same packet that I'm sending to the other guy. Actually, we are going to sign a packet and later check if the packet is exact same that I've sent to the other person. So let's go back to CryptoSession and create a function fun get digital signature service, and it's going to return a digital signature service that I'm going to create in a moment. So let's create the package digital signature and create the interface of it and import it here. And for now we are going to use RSA digital signature service, and this one is going to implement the digital signature. So let's go to the CryptoSession and implement the get digital signature service and simply return RSA digital signature service like that. So inside this digital signature we will have two function, and it's going to be suspend function actually, and it's going to be named sign. It will have a message of type string and a private key of type private key, and it will return a string as the signed object. And also another function called verify. It will have the signature of type string. This signature is going to be this one, and this message is the message that we are going to sign it, and we will have the public key, and it will return a boolean object that says that if the verification is okay or not. So let's go to the implementation class and import these two functions. And for the sign, actually we are going to need an RSA object. I'm going to use the constructor injection called private val RsaService of type RsaService, and inside CryptoSession implementation and using this function we are going to actually require an RsaService of type RsaService, which is going to be nullable and it's going to be null initially. So whenever you want to get the service, you can pass the RsaService to it or just provide a new RsaService inside this. So RsaService, so we'll return the RsaService. If it's null, we will simply return RsaService implementation class, a new object of it. So simple as that. Let's go to the implementation class. We have the RsaService available here. So to sign it, we simply wanna just use RsaService and encrypt text and pass the message and private key to it. And to verify it, we wanna decrypt the signature, and use the RsaService to decrypt text, pass the signature and public key to it, and then return decrypted signature content equals to message. If it's not null, then pass false to it. So this is how we will check that if encrypted signature will be decrypted and it's equal to our message that we are passing to it. Simple as that. So let's go to our main activity and test it. Actually, we can sign our hash of our file, but yeah, sure. Actually, we can use it using a hash of a file. So we have the hash of this file. So right here, I'm going to actually get access to the digital signature service is equal to session get digital service. and I'm not going past RSA. I'll pass the RSA that we have up here, and let's go down here. So signature is equal to digital signature service and sign. So our message is going to be hashed file. We want to wrap it inside a string like this and pass the private key. So key pair that I do not have here, I'll create the private bound key pair is equal to RsaService dot generate key pair with length of 248, and here I'll pass key pair dot private, and then I want to check that this signature is correct. So using isSignatureValid is equal to DigitalSignatureService verify function. So we'll pass the signature to it. The message is hashed file, actually wrapped inside the string, and then pass key pair dot public. So the signature is nullable, so we have to check if the signature is not null. Let's wrap it with let's. So right now we are going to log isSignValid and pass isSignatureValid to it. So let's run our application and copy this log. So right now we will pick a file and you'll see the signature is true, and it's going to be same for every file. So that's it for this video. If you have any question, just drop the comment in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe and like and share my videos to support me. Until the next video, see you everyone.